Today in Chronicles of Dario and Jay.
We're stranded. Come on.
I got 10 minutes before Dario shows up because we are going on a hike. Good morning, by the way. It's like 9:06, so less than 10 minutes. And I gotta still take a shower and pack some water. But yeah, here I am.
A few moments later.
All right, and after 45 minutes, I'm ready. Dario's not here yet. He's on his way. I think my fit is cool. I think I like it. Fit check right here. Look at my arms, bro. I have my backpack as well. I have like a towel in there just in case there's water, like if we get wet or whatever. Because I've seen some videos of people hiking and sometimes there's like little streams of water to walk on, and if I get wet, I want to get at least another pair of socks there as well. And I think I'm also gonna take my slides just because these shoes are gonna be killing me. I already know. I should be good. I'm gonna pack some water, some snacks, I guess, and we'll be in our way.
How to get there?
Yes.
Today in Chronicles of Dario and Jay.
We're stranded.
No tenés cuidado. Yup.
You can tell they've tried it already.
Like this is like on the air. I'm stepping in here. Just as an update for the video. We're supposed to drive to the trail, but the road was closed like 2 miles before we reached that trail, so we had to walk about 2 miles.
2.1.
2.1 miles just to reach the trail. And then how many miles is the trail? Like
It's
3 miles.
3 miles.
So we'll be walking 5 miles, right? In total.
And then we gotta walk 2 miles back down. So
2 miles for us.
Damn, son. That's a lot of walking for a day.
Yeah. So we keep finding
Chunks of street gone.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. This is bad. Whose torta best friend step here?
I don't want to get close to that.
Yeah, me neither.
Starts going down. I don't want to be there.
Cebolla. Yeah.
That poor tree.
This is part 3.
Yeah, another pit. How many pits can we find? We don't know.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's a lot of pits.
Finally made it.
Come on. Pero no me da señal aquí.
I would discover a new species.
Breaking news.
So we're not even halfway.
You dumbasses who were apparently hiking found a very hallucinating plant.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Pues de viajar tan cerca de los pinos. Very interesting.
Yup.
Alright, we've gotten to a point where I don't know where the fucking trail continues. I'll have to go this. Un poquito flojo.
¿Quieres que te aparezca una mazacuata? ¡Ay! Yeah. ¿Es que estaba flojo esto?
Esa, un poquito flojo.
Oh, yep.
Going around.
We made it. Hopefully, we don't break our asses. Oh God.
I mean, if you just step down.
Nah, I'm just gonna go down.
What? Don't do it. It's so early for you to do it.
You just. It's because I can do this with my phone, I think.
¿El grabo?
Nah, yo creo que.
Aquí, te voy a bajar así.
Yeah. I guess. No más que. ¿A dónde me paro, güey? I'm good.
Si no te bajaste, bajo.
Ya mucho te tardaste, man.
Se te acabó el free trial. El diablo, aquí está todo arranco, amigo.
Yep. You sure era por qué?
I mean, the trail's right there.
Oh, I guess.
Hay que bajar aquí otra vez. No, me dejo de para ¿no? Pero para subir ahí, Ricky.
Subir where?
Ahí.
I think it will be better aquí, no? Right here. Going this way.
Careful now.
Yeah.
We got it, man. Easy. Cake.
Hey. Was it here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're back on track. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I need me a steak later.
We're back in track. Back in track. Yes, sir. We're back on.
No, we're lost.
Actually, we turned on the wrong one now. We're kind of cooked.
Reroute.
All right, go back. Yeah, all this gets like the trail kind of disappears when it's on the report,
Yeah.
on the creek or whatever this is.
A creek. The stream. Nah, this is not even a stream. Just
I mean, yeah,
full on river. Like this, where we were walking is like the river.
it's
The riverbed.
the river. Around the river bed? No, this is the river.
I don't know.
What's that?
I mean, this is him. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We are walking on the river, indeed.
You cannot tell me it's not the moon.
Oh, this is soft. Hey.
Yeah, it's a little bit of water. We're good.
You stepped on this,
Step on that rock right there.
and then there.
Hell yeah.
Should be good.
I would not step on that one though. Let's see. Oh, so forth, there you go. Step backwards. One more.
It's very, very muddy.
Three. A little bit further down here. We made it.
Yeah.
I'm beginning to think this is not a beginner's trail.
Yeah, this is not.
This is not beginner's friendly. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Didn't do this at home, guys. This is.
Hardcore stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm out here with new balances. Hell yeah. No, I don't need no damn patching suit. I got new balance and a will to get there.
Yep.
It feels like that's like a meteor and it just kind of...
Bah! Made a crater.
Yeah. Crater. Oh, what the hell is going on here? There's things
Yeah.
we need for the next freaking
Yeah.
trail. Not that.
New shoes.
Definitely
At least for
gotta
Dario.
see-
The bugs, repellent,
better planning.
better planning, bugs repellent,
What else? Binoculars.
binoculars, bear spray,
Bear spray just in case.
and that's it.
Some sort of weapon.
A weapon, a Glock,
No, yeah. Get away from me.
a dagger.
I should have one of those.
That's a stream of water. So, hike update. It's been hours, and
Wasn't enough energy to eat it
Yeah.
the next day.
so
I'm skinny.
we didn't even make it to the finish line.
No.
So
Getting back to fun.
We're heading back. It's been a long journey. And I'm dying. I'm just civilization. So we made it to the car again, Dario.
Yep. And it's still there, so that's a win.
So we're gonna go eat sushi and then
Call it a day.
call it a day.
God damn, I'm gonna be down on my back today.
But we still got stuff to do. You got an event. I gotta go to Institute.
And
So
tomorrow we'll be there.
yeah, tomorrow I'm not gonna wake up.